Okay guys, so we get a lot of questions about how to install one of these handy dandy handicap bars in a shower, like right here, to help somebody get into the shower. So this, you can tell, it's just a piece of fiberglass. There's really nothing to screw this into, and even if you were able to get through it and get into a stud, it would probably crack and disintegrate this whole shower enclosure where you're wiggling it back and forth. Okay, so what we're going to do, the first step, we're going to come behind the shower, and we're cutting out a piece of drywall so that we can reinforce that fiberglass so that we can put this on without breaking the fiberglass. We'll keep you updated. Alright guys, we're come on in, I'll show you what we're doing. So we pulled a piece of drywall off, and we had to cut out a 2x4 here. And I always like to use Torx head screws, and we put a little Torx head screw here so we could maneuver the board a little bit. So we put one of the treated pieces of lumber in here, just because you might as well go the extra mile when you're this far. So we put that 2x4 in behind this one to give us something to screw into in that fiberglass shower. So we'll take you around the other side. So now we have something that we can screw into right here to put that grab bar to not destroy the shower. Alright guys, so this is our handicap bar for the shower. We got an adjustable shower range here. So all we did is we figured out where we put that 2x4 behind here, and then we went ahead and put this in, and we drilled out our holes, and now we're ready to install. Okay, we've patched this wall after we put our 2x4 in. Come on in, Tommy. Take a look at that beautiful wall. Okay, come on in here. So here we have the shower one. We got that onto our 2x4 that we put on the back. We got no cracks in the fiberglass. Now typically they come with one of these here, and all this does is it allows you to switch from this shower head to this shower head. And for grandma, we're going to leave it on this shower head. And there's a little adjustment setting here. And then this simply adjusts up and down based on your mood, I guess. But we got all of them in. Guys, thanks for watching.